How's it going, gringos? Today we're doing a Cracker Barrel soda tier list. Now these aren't all the sodas, but these are all different sodas that I've tried so far, so without further ado, here we go. This is knee-high grape. Just tastes like grape soda, normal grape soda. It doesn't taste like anything special, so I'm putting it in B tier. This is knee-high orange soda. I'm gonna put it in A tier. It tastes kind of like a cream soda, but not as like intense. It's more light on like the cream soda taste. This is Dad's blue cream soda. I'll put it in A. It tastes exactly like a Barks red cream soda, you know, and it's like a blue. You know what? No, I'm putting it in B. It's like the same thing as like a Barks red cream soda, but it's blue. It's like clickbait with like the color, you know. So next, what do we have here? I believe this is a black cherry. Boylan black cherry. Put that in B tier as well. Okay, so this is Moxie root beer. It has on the thing, it says distinctively different for like it's a soda, and it's distinctively different, all right, that's for sure. Distinctively one of the worst root beers I've ever had in my life. That being said, it doesn't taste bad, but it's just one of the worst root beers I've ever had, so I'm putting it in D tier. And let's see. Brownie. This is also one of the worst soda root beers. It's like these two. These two are like the worst. I think Brownie's better. Put it in C tier. I believe this is... I think this is Boots hot cinnamon soda. It's like a spicy type of soda, and it's like a cinnamon type of soda. Spicy hot cinnamon, something like that. I'm putting it in F. It's not a good soda at all. It seems like it's going somewhere at first, or at least it felt like it did, but then it just gets worse. Cheerwine. I'll put it in A tier. This is Hank's orange cream right here. I'll put it in S tier. I think it's one of the best orange... I haven't tried too many of the orange cream sodas there at Cracker Barrel, but I think it's like the best one in my opinion that I've had ever. Virgil. I'll put Virgil root beer in B tier. It's root beer. It's a good root beer, but yeah, I'll put it here, I guess. But it's very expensive, very, very expensive, and it's just, it's nowhere near as good as like... Well, I mean, it's close, I guess, but it's not as good as Stewart's, which is one of the best root beers I've had, actually. They sell this in the restaurant section of Cracker Barrel. They don't sell it in like the store section, so you have to ask for that. It's a bit expensive, just like the Virgil soda is, but it might be less expensive than Virgil's. Kissed cotton candy soda. I'll put this in A tier. Yeah. Let's see about that. A tier. Tastes like cotton candy. Bundaberg ginger beer. I'm not sure what ginger beer is supposed to taste like. I'll put it in D tier. I'm not sure what ginger beer is supposed to taste like. As far as it goes, I just wasn't my specific kind of taste, you know, wasn't my kind of thing. Hank's pumpkin spice soda. This is A tier. Tastes like my mother's pumpkin bread that she makes. Double cola. I'll put it in B tier. It's the same as Coca-Cola, really. I mean, that's pretty much what it is. You get what's advertised to you. Bazooka bubblegum soda. Put it in D tier. Not the greatest. Oh yeah, speaking of which, I think that might be the only... I think this might be the only F tier sodas that the Boots Hot Cinnamon Soda, whatever it was. Sarsaparilla, the granddaddy of all root beers. B tier. It's like a low grade root beer, if I remember correctly. It's been a while since I've had it. It's like a low grade root beer. Not as much spunk in it. L8. I live in Kentucky. Get to drink this a lot, even outside of Cracker Barrel. Yeah, I'll put that in B tier. Shirley Temple. Now this is like a soda that's based off of an alcoholic drink, if I recall correctly. I've never had the alcoholic drink, so it's like a slushy type of alcoholic drink or something like that. If I did have that alcoholic drink, I'm not sure what I would think of the soda then, because, you know, maybe it's worse than like the original alcoholic drink, but I put it in S tier, like straight up. And this is right here. This is Jones's. It's blue. It's basically the blue icy soda. That's like that polar bear, that blue icy thing. See if I can't maybe pull it up or something in a picture, but yeah. I'll have mercy and put it in B tier. It tastes just like a blue icy, but it's a soda. And the thing is that it's like a blue icy with carbonation, right? That's what it tastes like. It tastes like a blue icy with carbonation that's melted. It tastes like a melted blue icy with carbonation in it. And it basically makes me wish that I was drinking a blue icy instead of just drinking a soda of it. And that really puts it down, in my opinion, in like the taste of it. That really just makes me really wish I was having a blue icy instead of just that soda. That being said, not bad. Okay, so this looks like Big Red. And I'll put that in B tier. I'll just say that these aren't ordered, I guess. I've tried ordering it up a little bit, but whatever. Tastes good. I like it. I think this is... I think I have 2 great knee-high in this tier list. I need to... whatever. Must have forgot that I had it in there. This is Boiling Cream Soda. I'll put it... Yeah, I'll put it at the top of A. It's a very good vanilla cream soda. Fruit Punch Whirly Pop. It tastes like a fruit punch soda, basically. And I think it tastes like really good. It's very unique, I feel like, with the fact that it's like a fruit punch soda. I like it. Coconut Cream Soda. I'm putting this in A tier. Maybe top of A. It's a coconut flavored soda. Coconut cream flavored soda. And I really do like it. Really unique. Sad that it's gone right now. Some of these are seasonal sodas, by the way. I think. Like the pumpkin spice one right here. So you're not going to see all these in Cracker Barrel. And I think some Cracker Barrels might be different too, so you might not be able to see all of these. They might have other drinks too. Oso Key Lime isn't on the tier list because I haven't tried it. There's plenty of others too that I haven't tried. Let's see. This is Dr. Enough. I'll put it in B tier. I think it's like a ginger ale, if I remember correctly, ginger ale-ish type soda. It's okay. It's advertised like an energy drink, sorta, but it's not like an energy drink at all. It's just like a normal soda, if I remember correctly. I don't know. It seems like an old type of soda that tried to advertise itself as an energy drink for energy drinks sort of thing. At least that's what it seems like to me. And then finally, Werner's. This is probably the best ginger ale I've ever drank in my life so far. Michigan flavored soda, or ginger ale soda. It's got the spunk, which an L8 has, but it's also got like the smoothness of like what a it's got the smoothness of, I think it's what my Cracker Barrel has. It's like a Seagram soda. It has the smoothness of that. Although, to be fair, to be honest, I'm not sure if it really is Seagram soda. I looked where the sodas were, like the boxes, like where the syrup is, and I didn't see any Seagram back there. I saw like Fanta ginger ale, and I didn't see Seagram, so I don't know if they're like falsely advertising like Fanta ginger ale as Seagram or what. But anyways, it tastes smooth. That's Seagram's supposed Seagram soda, and Werner's has the smoothness of that with the spunk of L8. I feel like it's just absolute great combination. But yeah, that's my tier list. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you later, gringos.